Hello there, hungry friends. Today's recipe is pork roll, with fried sweet potatoes as a side, and red cabbage salad. The main ingredients that we are going to use are Himalayan salt, coriander, smoked paprika, pine buds, sweet mustard, fresh thyme, mushrooms, onion, garlic, cherry tomatoes, chili, lemon, dill, French baguette, sweet potatoes, red cabbage, and a lot of white wine. Also, about 3 pounds of pork belly. We first start by cutting the sweet potatoes in strips. You don't have to peel them. When eaten with the skin on, sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber. Also, sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, vitamins E and C, iron, potassium and vitamin B6. We then continue with cutting the red cabbage for the salad. Cabbage is an incredibly versatile cold weather veggie. It contains a high concentration of vitamin C, that means it cuts out toxins in your body, preventing skin disease, arthritis, and rheumatism. For an extra flavor, add some chopped dill on top. Fresh squeezed lemon juice is a good choice for the salad. We're going to add some salt and some olive oil. Don't use tongs for mixing the salad. Use your hands instead. It could be messier this way, but they are the best tools for it. Now, for the second part, make sure your knife is well sharpened. Use the knife to make cuts around the bones. This way it is easier to remove them from the meat. Don't throw away the bones. You can use them to make a great pork stock. Continue to cut the meat, trying to double its surface, as we are trying to make a pork roll. Next, we bring up the mushrooms, slicing all of them. Continue slicing the onion. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half and chop the chili. We are now going to make a condiment mix, using coriander, smoked paprika and fresh chopped thyme. Also, add some crushed garlic heads to the mix. Add some olive oil in a pan and start the fire. Go on and add the vegetable mix to the pan, along with the sliced mushrooms. Add salt and white pepper. For an extra flavor, add a shot of white wine in the pan. Cook it for about 10 minutes at medium heat. We are going to use this mixture to fill the pork roll. First, spread 2 spoons of sweet mustard on the meat. Sprinkle a few pine buds. Also add the condiment mix we made before, along with some salt and white pepper. Scrape some lemon zest and add the mushroom mixture. When ready, tightly roll the meat. Make sure you use a string or a rope to hold the meat as tight as possible. Use the knife to make small cuts in the pork skin. Continue then to rub the skin with lots of salt, so it becomes crustier. Leave it in the oven for 2.5 hours at 150 Celsius degrees, or 300 Fahrenheit degrees. Also, for extra flavor, in the oven, add a tray with white wine under the meat. While the meat is cooking, go on and deep fry the sweet potatoes. The meat is ready now and it looks just awesome. Check out the salty crust it has. It must taste delicious. Well, the dinner and the plating are done. It looks amazing. That's a lot of meat, so make sure to invite all your friends. Enjoy! Until next time, be good, be happy, and eat delicious food. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. See you later, hungry friends.